guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit your dogs allocation to the Binance exchange. So for you to get started, this is what you need to do. So you need to click on deposit to exchange, then it's going to bring you here. Then you select exchange, then you click on continue. Then after that you select Binance. If you want to know how to deposit on Bybit or Bitget, I made a video about it, so I'll be dropping it at the description of this video. So now you click on send here. So do you have Binance account? Yes, you click on yes, I have it. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to visit your Binance account and copy the dog's deposit address and memo. So you visit assets, click on deposit crypto. Now what you need to do is to click here and you search for dogs. Alright, so if you're looking on the screen, you can see dogs with its logo. Then click on done. Okay, so now you just need to copy this address, minimize back here, paste the address here, go back and you copy this tag. So this is the memo. You click here and you paste it, then you click on send, you click on I confirm. Alright, so deposit is in progress, so you can click move. So looking on the screen guys, this is how you can deposit your dogs allocation. Alright guys, so the deadline for you to submit your exchange deposit address is on the 23rd of August 2024 at 4 p.m. UTC. So please make sure to do this as quick as possible. So if you not do this as quick as possible, on the 26th you will only be opportune to deposit on non-custodian wallets like Keeper. Alright guys, so this is how to deposit your dogs allocation to Bybit exchange. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your world.